When nobody else gave me a chance, you chose to love me. Now I want to spend the rest of my life with you, Confidence.
Aww.
Please marry me and make me the happiest man in the world.
Say yes! Say yes, baby. Say yes. Say yes! What is going on?
What did I do?
Stand up and say it.
How?
Get up. Stand on your feet and give me the ring. If you don't, I'm not accepting this ring from you.
Babe, please. You know that I've tried. I can't. My legs won't let me.
For over 5 years, you've been confined to this wheelchair. Why are you so lazy? The doctors already said that you can get up, but you refuse to. Can you just get up? You can do this, King. You can. Get on your feet and give me the ring. Stand. You can do it. Why are you being lazy about this? I know you to be a strong man. The only thing that has kept you on this wheelchair is fear. You've let fear take a greater portion of you. Just get up. If you want us to be happy together, get up and give me the ring. You can do this, King. You can. Don't let fear ruin this thing that we share together. Just get up. You can. Try. At least for once. This once. You can do it.
Babe, I've tried.
You can. Trust me. Believe me. You can. You've got this. You've got this, King. Go. Go. Hey, no. I don't want any of you to assist him. Please, you're not helping him. Get back off. Okay. Back off. Okay. You can do it. You can. Come on, King. You can. Just leave him. Let him be. Can you let him be?
It's okay.
Let him be.
It's okay.
Yes, he can. He can do this. Leave him. Get up. Get up. You can do this. Come on, King. You can. You've already done it. Leave him. I said leave him. You can. For 5 years. Oh my God. You still. Oh my God. Jeez. I will send the ring. I'll marry you. Wow.
Will you marry me?
I will marry you. I will marry you, my baby. Hey, this is love. Look at you.
I'm standing.
Yes, I told you. You can. Love is too much. Love is too much. No, you have no business. You have no business with this wheelchair anymore. Take it out.
Bring it up, yes.
Yes, take it away. Congratulations, King. Hey! Don't worry, we are going to proceed.
Should I help?
No, don't. Leave it. Hey!
Let's go inside.
Thank God. Wow,
Let's go and celebrate. This is miracle. I can walk. And she said yes.
I'm so proud of you.
This is miracle.